Hey guys, Gear Dog here. Haven't posted a video in a while, but thought I'd give my thoughts on this Vsett10 Plus. Just rolled over 500 miles on this one, so it's been through a lot already on it. Thought I'd give you guys my opinions. I'm going to be pretty critical. First off, the tires I think are crap. There was a metal wire that's molded into the rubber that just kept giving me flats. I think it gives a lot of people flats. I hate these tires. I'm gonna swap them out. I'm trying to get as much life out of them as I can. I don't like throwing stuff away just because. So been fixing them up and lining them and trying to get as much life out of them as I can. The next thing I don't like is the horn. The horn is, nobody can hear it. It's pretty well worthless. So I went ahead, integrated a new horn here, wired it up to the existing horn, and then just printed a 3D housing for it. Let's see, what else is I not like. So I've actually crashed this thing a couple times. Once into the back of a taxi cab. Took the hit right up there on the front. Ended up actually breaking the BMS board on the battery. Had to go to back to Alien Rides to get a new one. Tried to find a exact replacement on Alibaba and everywhere. Couldn't find one, so luckily Alien Rides, who I bought it from, was able to help me out. Once I got that replaced, everything seems to be working well. Didn't seem to break anything else. I did replace these caps. I don't mind the placement of the charging port. I just don't like the caps. They're just kind of crappy. What else am I critical of? Oh, I'd probably replace the suspension. The front isn't oil filled, so you get a little bit of undamped feedback there. So, you know, I mean, it's fine, but you know, I would upgrade it. The next thing I would upgrade is this finger split here to get on throttle and brake. It's kind of wide because of these brakes. Some of the other YouTube channels call this out. I agree with it. Makes sense. Display could be kind of hard to see. It's fine. I think the display is fine. But the throttle has no granularity to it. It's like either on or off on the throttle. So, oh, there goes another scooter. That may have been a Apollo or something. Anyway, yeah, throttle is always on or off. Kind of sucks. I wish it had a walk mode. I wish it had just more easily tunable acceleration mode instead of having to go into the P menu. Yeah, just more flexibility there. Would be nice. Otherwise, though, things actually been pretty solid. This is the middle battery size. I think that's the 26 point something. They've got 3 battery sizes. This is the middle one. I get probably, so I ride everything P0 or the acceleration P settings. I set it the highest, and that gets me about 30 miles per charge, and I don't let it go down super low. That's another setting you can set. Also, I am like 230, so I'm a bigger guy, so that's pretty good. And it pulls up hills. The suspension's pretty good. Otherwise, I think it's actually a pretty good scooter. I'm impressed. I've kind of beat on it pretty hard. Like I said, I'd upgrade the tires. Front suspension could use a little upgrade. Wish there was loads more control, but you know, it's fine. It's serviceable. And the horn is pretty terrible. So, you know, maybe I'll do some more updates on this. But yeah, that's all I got today.